Alrighty, here's all the stuff and a little bit of my fat belly. So, we're going to open the extension kit first because it's the longest. So we'll see what goes on here. I'm going to stick my head right in the way, hang on. Why, looky there. A box list of items. Oh, we shall go through all of these. Go like that. A nice little, this thing is well packaged, man. Let's throw that out of the way. Oh, looky there. Cables. Cable wraps. Zip ties. Belt drives. Or drive belts. Oh, and even 3 different size hex keys. Like we all don't have 4,000 hex keys in our house. Until we need them, of course. You know, that's how that works. So, there's that. Pulling this one past the camera there. Oh, look at that. Solid, heavy duty, well done steel. Uno and dos. Alright. So, because I watched a video about these things already, I know that I'm going to have to replace the drive belts and everything on the main unit, and then we'll see how it all works. Pardon my head again. Well, I think there is probably nothing left in this box. So, a left plate and a right plate. The belts, the connection cables, those are all in here. 1, 2, 3 hex keys, cable wrap, zip ties. Alrighty, box out of the way. Yep, sorry, it disappeared. Alright, put that here. Now, this one's the more expensive, more important part, so I actually have already opened this, but we'll open it again here. Yep, gotta pull it out of here. So, in this one here we have some books. Again, I watched the video and already opened that, so we have a little thank you card here. Alright, thank you, all nice and everything. Instructions. which I will promptly be able to ignore about half of. Oh look, a whole bunch of languages. Quick start guide. Oh look, nice pictures. Alright, what do we got? Unbox and check, obviously. So here's all our parts list and everything for this box. Oh look, they gave me some safety goggles. So I guess I didn't have to buy the other two pair. No scissors included in the pack. Alright, so anyway, there's those things, and then what do we got here? We have, this is a cool little book of things that were made using this here machine. There's some pretty nice stuff. I hope this is recording okay, because I really don't feel like doing it all over a second time. Third, if you count the fact that I tried it once already and it really came out bad having to hold the camera with one hand. Alright, so there's that. And this one is a box of test pieces. Again, like I said, I already opened it. So we have the metal business cards. There's some other little pieces of wood in here. Cork, some plastic for cutting, and either an engraving board or it's a base plate for doing these smaller things. You put them underneath where the laser burns. The big laser is going to have a honeycomb pad underneath it, so that will be cool. Those will be the next box opened up. Alright. Well, there we go. Let's and keep these all nice in case I ever need to take this thing down again. So well, there's one and the control rod. I'll leave the control rod in there for now. I'll just do that. Put that back here. I'm going to pull out the smaller side or the bigger sides. And see, this is the belt that I'm going to need to replace in one of the bigger sides that I already pulled out. So, put that here. And the other belt that's going to need replaced. Scissors not included. Right there. Alright, anyway. Oh look, more scissors not included. Boy, a lot of stuff. Alright, I guess that my power cord. Alright, so secret boxes, all these little secret compartments empty over there. Cords, some Pang Sheng. Oh look, more power cord, cables. Little secret compartments in here. Alright, so this here is another parts box. More zip ties. This is the glasses and a little tool kit. No scissors. Well, I am unsure. Didn't know that was coming with it. I don't know. It says, I'll have to look later. Alrighty, we got more hex wrenches. We got some spare parts. We got a screwdriver. No scissors. Alright, so toolbox, let's just put these down here. That way. Zip ties. And this part here, this is the laser unit, the laser head. I don't know if there's reflection, if you can see. I don't know if the camera's focusing. Sooner or later I'll have, like, you know, real video equipment and stuff, but hey, it's my phone and for the moment it works. Laser over here. Alright. Nothing else in that box there. Let's move that out of the way. And get these things so that they are safe from slipping and sliding and all that happy crappy, you know. You know the drill. A clumsy guy like me. Alright. So, there's all the pieces, all the parts for the main laser unit, including the extension. Under the table here, I have the other parts, the honeycomb unit that goes under there, and extra feet for raising it up, and the cover that goes over it that has the exhaust unit that comes out. So, there we go. There is the unboxing of the xTool D1 Pro with an extension. Alrighty. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, got it all. Alright, here's my button. Check it out. Later, guys.